I think one of the most powerful ideas that's come out of leadership thought in the last 15, 20 years is this idea that came from Simon Sinek of start with why. Start with why. What's your purpose? What's your belief? What's the reason why you do what you do as an individual, as an organization, as a team? But why is this so powerful? Why has this resonated with so many people, from his TED Talk to his book, and just the idea that keeps getting proliferating over and over? Well, I think it's because we've started to recognize that the reasons why we do things are just as, or often more important than what we actually do. From how we interact with each other to charting big strategic initiatives, right? And I want you to think about this down to your career. Do you really know what you want to do and accomplish? What's most important to you? Those deeper levels of motivation that truly drive you trying to grow and succeed and become the person you want to become. Have you identified those things? If you have, that's great. But if you haven't, I highly encourage you to identify those things, the values, the purposes that you want to be operating and doing your best work. Okay? And then, as new opportunities and options get presented to you, then suddenly you can use your why, your purpose, your values, your beliefs as a filter as you consider, is this going to be right for me? Is this going to help me continue to learn and grow in the direction and the ways that I want to? If so, or perhaps, then continue to explore that. If not, then don't bother wasting time with a recruiter or a job that wants to reach out, or an opportunity even inside of your own company, even if it's a promotion. If that's not in line with where you want to go, then don't take your time. But unless you figure that out, what's really most important to you, you can't have that filter. And a lot of times then we just get reactive in our lives and our careers and saying yes to things that are not in line with what's most important to us. So I encourage you to spend some time and ask yourself some of these questions. What's most important to me? Why do I do what I do? And what's the purpose that I want to be executing and living my life? And then start acting in accordance with that. See what happens. My name is Jeff Perry. Thanks for listening. I'm the founder of More Than Engineering, and I help engineers and technical professionals build great lives and careers. If I can do anything to help you, then please reach out and let's chat. Thanks so much.